Since there's been a few more changes in the environment, I thought I would go ahead and make a new version of the navigating Kumu video. When you first come into the content for the Systems Thinking Certification Program, this is what you should see. This is all of the content that's in Kumu, and this side over here I refer to as the canvas, and the left side is the profile. What you initially see is the profile for the whole map, and the map is composed of elements, connections, and loops, so that when an entity is selected on the canvas, you'll see a profile for that particular entity. So if I select this element, you're now looking at a profile for the element itself, and if I select this, you're looking at the profile for that particular loop. And to get back to the profile for the map, all you have to do is click in the white space any place on the map. Now the map itself there's too much content to read or to see all the labels all at once, but there are multiple ways to navigate the content. If you click in the background someplace, you can pan this whole map around. You can use the plus sign to zoom in, or the minus sign to zoom out, and the double arrows are zoomed to fit. If you see a particular area that you want to investigate, if you simply point there and double click, it will bring that, it will enlarge it to fit the screen, wherever you are. You can use the mouse button to pan in and out to see what's a broader view. And though the way that it's meant to work for the program content is if you're going through the week 1 material, if you click on Web of Wonder, it selects that Web of Wonder content, and you come down here and click on Focus and do Selected. It hides everything else on the map except the content for that particular week. So that if you zoom out, you'll notice that everything is gone except that week 1 content. You can get back to a full view anytime you want to simply by clicking and holding on the canvas itself, and it will go ahead and bring everything back to view. And if I clicked on Systems Thinking and told it that I wanted to see the selected, just the Systems Thinking elements, and then I said I also wanted to see Insight Maker, it would simply add that to the set of content so that I had both of them there. And to get away from it, I just click in the background and it all comes back. The other alternative is that you can click on a loop label for a set of content, and you can tell when you're over the loop because the content highlights. Where's there another one? There's one here for systems archetypes. So if I highlight it and click on it, I can also come down here and tell it that I want to do a focus on selected, and it will just show me that set of content for that particular week. So you sort of walk through the content, and there's a link here associated with the content for that week, which goes to a discussion thread in the subgroup on LinkedIn for you to post questions or comments or perspectives about the material for that segment. And the first 2 of them are turned on now, and I will turn on the rest of them as the weeks go by. Also, periodically, you should check the update notes, and I've decided that I will date it as to the last date that I did an update to the notes, and if you click on it, it will simply take you to that particular node, and it's right here. Because I'm in edit mode, it's why that went to edit as opposed to simply showing you the edit notes, which is what you would see. And then to get back to the main page, all you have to do is click in the background. Anytime you want to get back to the profile for the whole map itself, just one click in the background will take you there. Also, down here, you should click and register for, if you're going to attend the online sessions on Tuesday or Thursday, you should go ahead and click one or the other, or both if you Not sure whether you will attend the Tuesday or Thursday sessions. They're held at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time and 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Thursday. I'm on the east coast of the U.S. I'm at GMT +5, I guess. So here's a world time zones map if you want to look at it to sort of see where you are in relation to all the rest of it. So that's sort of the quick view of how to peruse or get around inside of the Kumu map. After you spend 10 or 15 minutes with it, it should be rather obvious. And if you have any questions, I'm sure you got my email. So later, bye.